SANYA, also known as the Hawaii of China. This is the place that I chose for my first trip in 2020. So my vacation just started and I was convinced that SANYA is the place to go at this point. Due to the situation in the world with the whole pandemic, I wasn't able to travel to any places outside China. So I finished all that I had to do here and I hopped on a plane that was heading to SANYA. And I'll tell you this, I surely missed flying. I arrived in SANYA pretty late, so I just headed home, had dinner, and called it a night. But the following day was when the adventure started. SANYA was the place that I discovered my immense passion and love for the ocean. One thing I've learned from this trip is that sometimes when life gives you an opportunity, you take it and keep living life to the fullest. I'm right fucking here.